name is Utsav Rajput. I am working as a research scholar under Dr. Deepak Swami at IIT Mandi. In our recent research, we conducted geospatial assessment of groundwater quality in India's one of the most prominent industrial areas, Baddi Barotiwala Industrial Hub. In the past, there have been studies which highlighted the declining groundwater scenario of the region. In view of this critical situation, we conducted spatial sampling of groundwater and surface water from 40 locations distributed in the whole industrial area. The samples were tested in our lab and we found high concentrations of dissolved toxic metals in surface as well as groundwater samples. We used the US EPA Human Health Risk Assessment model to evaluate the health impact of these toxic metals on the health of local people. We found high carcinogenic and non-carcinogenic health risks to the local people which depend on untreated groundwater for their consumption purposes. To address this problem, we are constantly working in our lab. Experiments are going on and we are hopeful to develop a nature-based solution to this problem which will be cost-effective but yet efficient.
Hello, I am Dr. Deepak Swami, Associate Professor at IIT Mandi in School of Civil and Environmental Engineering. As an expert in groundwater, I can say that poor groundwater quality has extensive long-term impact on human health, agriculture ecosystem and the economy. Contaminated groundwater can lead to chronic health issues including cancer and neurological problems due to presence of toxic elements and pathogens. Agriculture productivity suffers from soil degradation and reduced crop yield due to salinization and toxic accumulation. Ecosystems are disrupted, leading to biodiversity loss, and interconnected surface water body also become contaminated due to proximity. Economically, the cost of healthcare, water treatment and agricultural losses increases, exacerbating social inequalities and potential causing community displacement. Addressing these issues require regular monitoring, control of pollution, water treatment technology distributions and public education and awareness, also adhering to the sustainable practices to protect and conserve pristine groundwater resources. In our recent research, we conducted a spatial groundwater quality assessment in Baddi Barotiwala region as described by Utsav and identified high carcinogenic and non-carcinogenic health risk to the local society and the population in adult and children. The groundwater quality deterioration also started few decades ago in North India and other part of the country, which led to unprecedented rise in human health issues including cancer. Groundwater situation in Baddi Barotiwala region is critical. We are working in the direction of its remediation using local nature-based solutions. Further, research related to groundwater reclamation is also under process in our groundwater hydrology lab at IIT Mandi. And we are determined to propose an innovative solution to the problem in near future to preserve the pristine Himalayan water resources. Thank you.
Thank you.
अगर आप ये वीडियो YouTube पर देख रहे हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबाना ना भूलें। अगर आप Facebook पर ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं तो हमारे पेज को लाइक करें।